Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 21 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is our sketch today. 2 photos, some real fun floral bits, torn, and my lovely friend Scrappy Adam designed this one. Love it. I just like the colors too. Good color choice for your sketch. It is also Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts. It is a hop that is being put on. Me and Miranda have been doing this for a while, and a lot of other scrappy friends, and it's all about our paparuskis. So this is Bums in her Saints jersey, getting ready to watch a football game. So we're going to do those 2 photos. I'm going to use one of my January scrap room kits. And this is the Discover and Create by Vicky Booten. So we've got a whole bunch of fun things. What do we have for paper? Oh, that one's fun. So I could use those. We're gonna do that. Yes, we are. All right. Oh, I'm breaking stuff. So I do hope everybody is having a lovely day today. It is Sunday. I'm trying to get back ahead. So we'll see. So many online crops are going on. I totally just tore that. What's on the other side of that? Paper clips. I should not have torn that. We'll try to keep it. All right. So, oh, you know what? I need that back. So we're going to cut that at the blue. Actually, no, we're going to hold off. Let's cut that right there at the blue. All right. And then I'm gonna rip it right down that line there, and then let's just take our scissors and rough this side up. Oh, come on. Try to get the white core to show over here as well, right? And then we'll just kind of roll it back a little bit. So, okay. Put those over there. Don't want to stab myself. All right. This one's stuck on this side. I love easy to follow sketches. Let's kind of bend this back a little bit. Too much. There we go. I am gearing up for class today. My first mixed media class of the year. I'll be doing them quarterly, you guys. So if you didn't get in on March's, we will have one in June. How to think about it. All right, let's pull. Just pulling this back. That's why I didn't want to glue it all the way down, because I want to rough these edges up. And just kind of get in there and kind of bend it up, right? Then we can get that stuck down. And get it stuck down over here. And there we go. All right. And then we're going to get our photos, kind of like that down here. And then we're going to do, I'm going to do the embellishment here, and then we'll put some up here as well. So, uh-oh, I'm out of foam, I think. I can't see either. Am I really like out of foam? Well, that is an unfortunate turn of events, my friends. Oh no. We have so much more. All right. Well, that wasn't the smartest thing I've ever done, but it's not the stupidest thing either. So. All right. Well, that is unfortunate. All right, let's try that again. Actually, I kind of think she needs to go like that. Yes. So I'm going to go straight to page on that one. And then we'll trim this one up. Pop that piece there. And get this one. So we're going to go in reverse. Clusters here and here. So let me go ahead and I'm going to go through. Well, we do know that we can use this one, right? Get that stuck there, and let's do hello there as our title. Let's pop that up on some foam. That's what I was just, like, in my head, I was just trying to figure out. So I'm going to pop the hello there, the there up, and then we're going to have hello there as our title. What else? So let me do this, pull out some stuff to use, and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got my title popped up on foam. I've got this little flower popped up on foam. I've stuck this cute little already mixed piece in there. I've got this floral cluster. Kind of hanging out. Put that little floral there. Sometimes Vicky's stuff is just so big that I have a hard time using it. So we're gonna power through the struggle here, because the struggle is real. We're gonna pop these little guys up on some foam. Right. So do you guys like to play along? Do you guys play along with the Paw Your Way? I am actually going to be stepping down from a lot of the little hops that I kind of play along with, because half of my monthly layouts going forward are all going to be design teams. I have been accepted to several. Still waiting for my one design team box. It keeps getting sent back. And they're so apologetic, and I'm like, I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on. So we thought we finally had it. And I checked today, and it's in New Zealand. So it went back. So hopefully I gave them my P.O. box. Maybe they can get it sent there, but it keeps trying to go to New Jersey and not Illinois. I've got the little foam You Do You. Okay, we'll get that one stuck there. I was going to make a shaker, but I don't really know where I would put the shaker at this point. I feel like I've lost all hope for that. I could just do that now. No. Could just do a couple of those little guys. Just kind of like his little embellishments. Well, they are embellishments, but you know what I mean. And put this the best up there. And then we just have a few other things, but these are all really big. So I think that's going to do it for that little pack. I have this whole collection too. This is why it's great that I'm now doing this, because I don't use the stuff. Let's see, this is what real life looks like. For real. And then get one of those little guys there. We'll put this little guy here. I'm just going to kind of pop them around now, just to... Well, it's cute because it kind of goes with what's going on in the background. And then let's put our daily ritual right here, because this is Bee's life for real, which worries me a little bit. So all she does is sleepy. All right, the only other thing that I want to do is find some sort of blue. Lisa Bertus Monroe. Let's reach up here. Cover that one up. Well, I'll just do that. And this is Tinsel Blue. Kind of get some... I haven't done any splattering in a while. Probably should have just kept it on the middle, but that's okay. And that's gonna do it for our layout today. So thank you so much, Adam, for creating a spectacular design. Don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life and Paw Your Way. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.